This reminds me, I mean, there are those apps nowadays which are, you have celebrities wishing you on your birthday, all AI generated.
Which has made these celebrities go to court and seek that we have a personality rights
Correct.
under the Copyright Act, and
Yes.
nobody can utilize it for AI for without our permission.
Correct.
But by birth, you and me have personality rights. You know that,
Absolutely,
right?
Absolutely.
I have a copyright on myself.
Right.
I need not seek from the court that I need copyright to my voice, I need
Correct.
copyright to my face, I need
Right.
copyright to my body.
Right.
That's a
Absolutely.
inbuilt copyright when you're born.
Right.
You don't seek that right from anybody else,
True,
from the courts
true.
or from any place for that matter.
Absolutely.
But because of this AI, the celebrities are at the very difficult situation where every company is now creating those kind of videos and making money out of it, where they have gone up and asking that protect our celebrity rights from creating any of the AI
Correct.
situations. But in reality, you and me don't have to go for it. We practically have that right. Tomorrow, I cannot just create your video and post across
Right.
without your permission in place.
Absolutely.
I absolutely cannot do that. I can do it if you're in a public place, I can click your picture and it is posted absolutely fine. But I practically cannot come in your private space and click your picture.
Absolutely.
If I don't have your permission, I cannot create a video using AI and post it. Again, it would be a impersonation, or it would be taking your picture without your right, or making your pictures without your right. I cannot have your voice,
Correct.
create that synthetic voice and create a whole audiobook out of it.
Right.
I need to have your permission because you, by birth, have copyright on yourself,
Right.
including how your face,
True.
to your voice, to your personality. So that is there with you and me and everybody. But I think with stricter norms, with stricter punishment, and with stricter implementation of these norms is where people will understand not to do it. And even
Absolutely.
and you can't say that it will not happen. People are saying that these laws will not be the solution. Yes, it will not be a foolproof 100% solution. But at least you'll have something to fight.
Absolutely.
And people will understand. There are so many naive people, naive as in you and me as well, who will believe that this is true. So at least with that 10% of
Exactly.
visibility,
Right.
you and me will not believe into something we should not believe. Number
Absolutely.
one, it can be trading scam. There are so many, those
Yeah.
gambling industry trying to be so-called gaming, and those celebrities are being putting across, and they're not
Correct.
doing it actually.
Exactly.
So we will not fall prey to all those advertisements on all those
Correct.
posters or all those, those audios that come across. We will think that, oh, this is not Amitabh Bachchan himself.
Right.
This is some AI created
Correct.
Amitabh Bachchan. And we
Correct.
will think of, okay, oh, let's not believe into this completely. That's where I think a lot of, at least 60 to 70% people will think before, or they will have an understanding that this is not we should think of.
Absolutely.
Because by law, now we understand by now that if we see somebody, we think it is true.
Correct.
Pehle we used to see posters and we used to say this is the truth because this is in poster form.
Exactly.
When you used to have WhatsApp messages,
Right.
somebody writing something, we never used to believe. But it used to come in at that, picture form, we
yeah.
used to believe. Then that also changed, that it's very easy to make that